Hello friends and welcome to this 9th episode of Understanding Cataract, a complete guide. I hope you liked my previous episodes and that discusses everything about signs, symptoms, management, surgical management and all the options of lenses that you have to select for your surgery. Now this episode is very interesting because this is what a patient will experience on the day of surgery. So we have shot this episode as to if you are a patient and you have to go or you have to undergo surgery in the next few days or few weeks, what is it that you'll experience at our center of Dr. Eye Institute? So please watch this because it's very informative and will really help you to make your procedure very safe, simple at our center. So this 9th episode is cataract surgery through the patient's eye. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Kumar, doctor from Dr. Eye Institute, and this channel of iLogs is everything to do with vision and eye care. If you haven't watched my previous episodes on cataract, please click the link below and watch and get more information you ever wanted to know about cataract. If you haven't subscribed to my channel of iLogs, please do so, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you get notified every time I release a new video. so that now the patient is ready, I take over. So see you on the other side. Once you undergone the surgery, we do put a patch till you reach home. Obviously, the pre-op instructions were given before surgery. On the day of surgery, what you will feel, what you will go through is all written and given to you in form of instructions. Once the surgery is done, we give you another set of papers which actually explains to you what care you have to take at home, which are post-op instructions, and the treatment that you have to follow. It's very simple, just follow what is written. So friends, this brings to the end of this episode of what you will experience as a cataract patient to be undergoing surgery in the near future. And I'm sure this will help you to relieve your anxiety, your stress levels, because it's not all that complicated as what you thought it to be. Now, the remaining episodes of this series of cataract is going to be about life after cataract surgery and what care you have to take. So stay tuned on this channel of iLogs and kindly spread this word and information amongst your friends and colleagues that will help them understand this process of cataract as a disease, as a treatment, what they actually go through, and the selections of IOLs, which is discussed in this entire series. Take care.